Localsend is like your gadget's secret language. It lets them talk to each other without the internet. Why does that matter? Because it's lightning fast and you can share stuff like photos or files in the blink of an eye. No messing around with cables or waiting for uploads. It's the right here, right now of file sharing. I have tried it with Android, iOS, and Windows. It works perfectly well for each scenario. It would be a great tool in case you are having trouble like me sharing files between your iPhone and a Windows PC. So here's the deal. With Localsend, you are actually not relying on the internet. So no need for fancy connection or Wi-Fi. As long as your gadgets are on the same network or connected with a cable, you're good to go. It's like handing over a file with a virtual hi-fi. For all the tech nerds out there who want to know how it actually works, Localsend uses a secure communication protocol that allows these devices to communicate with each other using REST API. All the data is sent securely over HTTPS, and the TLS and SSL certificate is generated on the fly for each device, so it ensures maximum security. There are some settings that you could tweak, but I just personally enable quick save option on both devices to not have to click on the confirm transfer option each time. You can use it just like any other file sharing app. Drop your files, select the target device, and boom, the files are sent. It's that simple. Hope you all give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. That's it for today's video, and thank you all for watching.